Is a solemn festival celebrated by the Naga tribe in Nagaland. It is an old ritual, tradition and celebration life and death, blending its kinds on religious and seasonal significance. Traditionally, the festive days are spread from August 4 to 8. The main feast falls on August 8. The word Me means soul, Dum means wrap, and Nyo means feast. So the term literally means soul-wrapping feast, a solemn festival that welcomes the newborns and honoring the ones going by. MEDÜMNYO comes into light in a season when granaries are filled with fresh millets. If we could travel back to the olden days, one would find people practicing deep rituals and sacrifices when they would wake up early in the morning